Banana guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, do you know that 11 of Mkowo where you will speak about inkinga zakho zomjolo to just about anyone who is willing to give you an ear, anyone who is willing to listen. Listen, Umusa is at that stage. Because tell me, why is he sitting discussing indaba zakhe zomjolo, indaba zakhe zomshado with Usne? Guys, I just feel like, you know what? If we would have a tell-all, we would just have it for one person, for Usne. Because I want to see these things that Usne says about Umusamsilehu's wives. Will she say it face to face? Because when she was given the opportunity to speak, she just got up and walked away. Listen, she is saying Umusamsile ukuthi nawe baba uyabanesa kakhulu baba. Ngeke. Angithi because now she's sitting in an expensive house and was she not the one who said ukuthi uyahamba ini? And obviously speaking about who? About uMaNgwabi. I'm just like, you know what, Sne? I never thought I would say this, but I really wish uMaNgwabi angakusakaza ngempama because ungenaphi. And Musa's just sitting there listening, you guys. No, guys, Usne uyadelela. And I kind of feel like Musa's enabling her because you can't speak about my partner or my wife or my spouse like that. And I'm just keeping quiet. I will stop you right there and then before you even continue. The fact that she's repeating it again in front of her father means Obutu Musa gives her that platform to disrespect his wives. And I'm saying wives because I know that Khumalo, she's part of that. When it comes to Khumalo and uMaNgwabi, Sne doesn't see them. I even kind of feel like at this point, Usne is willing to support uMaKhwela, willing to support Indaba number 5, just so that she can get back at Khumalo and uMaNgwabi. I don't know if Usne is their new appointed God flow or what, because the authority she's speaking in. Hi, girl. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.